Come rain or shine, I promise I'll deliver you on time. Woohoo! Hello, corner shop.
Hello, Henry!
Hello, bus stop.
Hello, Henry!
Hello, hedgehog.
Hello, Henry.
The sorting office is just up ahead, Henry. We'll be there in no time.
Letter, what exactly is a sorting office?
Follow me, Henry, and I'll show you. This is where letters and parcels from all over the world end up.
Guten Tag!
Konnichiwa. Good day, mate.
Hello, everyone.
And then we all get sorted in the mailroom. Come on, Henry, jump in.
Letter, where are you?
Right here, Henry.
Good thinking, Letter. Hello, postman.
Hello, Henry! Now, don't forget to fasten your seatbelt.
Will do, postman. Will do. Thanks, postman. Here we are, Letter. Now, all I have to do is post you through the letterbox.
Woof, woof.
Ah, a dog! Please don't slobber on us.
What's the matter, Letter?
Henry, everyone knows dogs and postmen don't get along.
Don't get along.
How do you stay underwater for so long?
I hold my breath, but I don't breathe out of my mouth or my nose like you do. I breathe out of my blowhole. Oh, Henry! Oh, my glasses! I've dropped them in the water!
Oh, no. Can't you dive down and get them, Will?
I would, Henry, but I can't see a thing without them. Oh, if only there was someone around who could dive down and help me look.
That gives me a great idea, Will. I could become a deep-sea diver, and I can help you find your glasses.
That's a great idea, Henry.
Let's go! Well, Will, this place is beautiful.
It certainly is, Henry.
But there's no time for sightseeing, Will. Let's find those glasses. Maybe they're behind this coral. Or under this shell. Or maybe they're even in this clam. I can't see them anywhere, Will.
Oh, maybe that seaweed knows where my glasses are.
Will, that's not seaweed. It's a seahorse.
Oh, pardon me, seahorse. I've lost my glasses. Have you seen them by any chance?
We haven't, I'm afraid. But maybe the big old shipwreck knows where they are.
Great idea, seahorse. The big old shipwreck collects all sorts of things that end up at the bottom of the sea.
Follow me, Henry. We'll have you there in no time.
Hello, anchor.
Hello, Henry!
Hello, submarine.
Hello, Henry!
Hello, octopus.
Hello, Henry.
I must be getting back to my training now, Henry. It's my big race tomorrow. Good luck finding those glasses.
Thanks, seahorse. Okay, Wheelie Bin. Only one more house to go.
Oh no, Henry. Look. There's rubbish everywhere.
Oh, I'm sorry, everyone. The wind must have blown over all my bins in the night. Oh, how embarrassing.
Don't worry, house. You've got Henry and his waste collecting team at your service. Banana skin, potato peels, apple core. You go in the compost bin.
Okay, Henry.
Tin can, plastic bottles, and cardboard box. Recycling bin, please.
Okay, Henry.
Polystyrene, bubble wrap, crisp packet. All in the black bin, please.
Okay, Henry.
There, that's all the rubbish collected and sorted. Well done, everyone.
Hold on a moment, Henry. There's still one piece of rubbish left. This old ceramic sink.
Oh, hello, sink. Which bin do you fit into? Maybe you should go in the compost bin.
Nope, not in here, Henry.
What about the recycling bin?
No, not in here, I'm afraid, Henry.
What about you, wheelie bin?
Sorry, not in here either, Henry.
Oh, no, it doesn't look like I belong in any of those bins, Henry. I guess I'll just have to stay out here in the garden.
Wait a moment, Sink. I think I have an idea. There, all done. You may be an old cracked sink, but you make a perfect planting trough.
Oh, thank you, Henry.
Oh, well done, Henry. You've collected all the rubbish, sorted all the recycling, and even brightened up the house's garden.
Thanks, wheelie bin. But I couldn't have done it without your help. Yay! The day Henry met a wheelie bin, he laughed along with everyone. The day Henry met a wheelie bin, he made lots of friends and had so much fun. Okay, first up, bananas. Here. Cabbages. Here. Pineapples. Here. Carrots. Here. Avocados. Here. Tomatoes, pears and grapes. Here. And last but not least, apples. Apples?
Oh no, Henry. There must have been a mistake with the delivery. There's no apples. What are we going to do?
Don't worry, Broccoli. I think I have an idea.
What are we doing in your back garden, Henry?
Remember I said I had an apple tree?
Oh, yes, of course. Good thinking, Henry. But the tree's so tall, how are we going to get the apples down?
Leave it to me, Broccoli. Excuse me, apple tree. Would you mind if we had some of your apples, please?
Oh, of course not, Henry. Be my guest. Just have to have a little shimmy shake. Watch out below!
Thanks, apple tree.
You're welcome, Henry.
Well done, Henry. You did it. You collected the apples and now the shop is fully stocked and ready to go.
No problem, Broccoli. All in a day's work. For Henry the greengrocer. The day Henry met Broccoli, he laughed along with everyone. The day Henry met Broccoli, he made lots of friends and had so much fun.
Henry!
That's my mum calling me, Broccoli. I best be off. It was really nice meeting you.
The pleasure was all mine, Henry, and thanks for helping me get the shelves stocked full of lovely fruit and vegetables.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye, Henry.
Bye-bye, everyone. I'm coming, Mum.
All right, Henry. I think it's time to introduce the band.
Okay, guitar. Right behind me, keeping everyone in time, is the one and only Beatastic Drum. And to my right, he's only got 4 strings, but it'll hit all the low notes. It's the Boombastic Bass.
Boom, 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 ba-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-dum, boom.
And last but not least, taking the lead is the 6-stringed wonder guitar.
Henry, I think it's your turn.
Oh, right.
Good luck, Henry. Now sing your little itty-bitty heart out, kid.
Guitar, I know I probably should have mentioned this earlier, but, I've never actually sung in front of anyone before. I'm a little bit nervous.
Don't you worry about a thing, Henry. Everyone gets nervous. Shucks, even I get nervous from time to time.
Just try your best, Henry.
Because music is all about having fun.
Thanks, everyone. Okay, Here goes. The day Henry met a guitar, he laughed along with everyone. The day Henry met a guitar, he made lots of friends and had so much fun. Now, let's start this match.
And we're off! Red Boot has the ball. And out of nowhere comes Blue Boot, who's about to score. He kicks it. And it's surely a goal. Oh, but Red stopped it. What a save!
Phew. Wait for me, please.
And we're back. And Red is about to score. It must be. It just has to be. Oh, but out of nowhere, Blue saves it. This is a real end-to-end battle. It's a battle. End-to-end. Guys. Henry, I'm not sure that they can go on much longer. They both look very, very tired.
I know how they feel.
I give up. Oh, you were right, Blue Boot. You are the best.
Oh, nonsense, Red Boot. You are by far the best.
No, I insist. You're the best.
Maybe we can all agree. It's a draw.
A draw? That means you're both the best.
We are. Woo!
The day Henry met a football, he laughed along with everyone. The day Henry met a football, he made lots of friends and had so much fun. Henry! That's my mum calling me football. I best be off. It was really nice meeting you.
The pleasure was all mine.
What are we going to do, Henry? It's getting dark and we still haven't found a place for me to hibernate in. Oh, things just couldn't get any worse. Oh.
Quick, Bear. We can shelter from the storm in that cave.
Jump, jump, everyone inside! Oh, looks like we're stuck in here until the storm ends, Henry. We're never going to find a place for me to hibernate.
Hold on a minute, Bear. I think we've just found the perfect place for you to sleep. This cave. It's warm, it's cozy, and most importantly, it's quiet.
You're right, Henry. I'll just get myself settled down here. Oh, Henry, I can't sleep. After all the excitement, I'm wide awake.
Don't worry, Bear. Whenever I'm wide awake, my dad tells me a bedtime story. Then before I know it, I'm sound asleep.
Oh, good thinking, Henry.
One day, Henry met a very sleepy bear. They couldn't find anywhere for him to sleep until they found a cozy, warm cave. Then Bear fell into a lovely, deep sleep. The day Henry met a bear, he laughed along with everyone. The day Henry met a bear, he made lots of friends and had so much fun. Henry! That's my mum calling me, Bear. I best be off. It was really nice meeting you.
The pleasure was all mine, Henry. Thanks for finding me a place to hibernate.
You're welcome, Bear. Have a nice sleep.
Night, night, Henry.
Night, night, Bear. Yeah!
All right.
Whee!
Yeah. 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 Whoa.
This isn't going very well, Henry.
Phew. I know what you mean, Tennis Racket. We haven't won a single point yet.
Are you guys okay over there? Of course you are. I know I am. I can't wait to see you both back on the court. Oh, and don't forget, never give up.
He's right, Tennis Racket. We have to be more positive. Just listen to that crowd.
Come on, Henry. You can do it. All right, Henry. With the crowd on our side, there's no way we can lose.
Ready, Henry?
Ready, new Tennis Racket?
Then let's go. Yeah.
Steady, Henry. Now!
Yeah!
15 love to Team Henry. Team Henry winning 15 love.
At last, Henry, our first point.
Looks like we might just have a chance after all. Yeah! Yeah!
Match point, Team Henry. Team Henry, match point.
This is it, Henry, my boy. It's match point, which means we only need one more point to win the championship.
Okay, let's give it our best shot. Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Whoa.
Woohoo!
We did it, Henry!
We did, Tennis Racket, but you can't have a great match without a great opponent. Come on up, new Tennis Racket. You deserve this trophy just as much as us.
Oh, wow. Thanks for sharing the trophy with me, you guys.
You're welcome, new Tennis Racket.
Hooray!
Now, which way should we go? One way will probably lead us to certain doom, and the other way will hopefully lead straight to the ancient blue diamond. This way or that way? Which will it be?
I really think we should go this way.
Why is that, Statue?
Because over that way, there is a great big boulder, and it's heading straight for us.
Yikes!
Run away!
Hello, Sphinx.
Hello, Henry.
I'm very dizzy.
Hello, Pyramids.
Hello, Henry. Really starting to get dizzy now.
Hello, Hieroglyphics.
We have to hurry, Henry. The boulder is right behind us.
I think I'm going to be sick.
Oh no! It's a dead end! Ah!
Whoa, just got to catch my breath. You two are fast. Sorry if I scared you. I was coming to say hi, but you ran away and dropped your hat.
Oh, you were just giving me my hat back. How nice. Thanks, Boulder.
All that exercise did us good anyway.
Boulder, do you know where the ancient blue diamond is?
Oh, of course I do, Henry. It's right under your feet.
Oh, thanks, Boulder.
You're welcome.
Finally, Henry, behold the ancient blue diamond.
Wow, Statue, you were right. It truly is beautiful.
Oh, I bet you say that to all the ancient blue diamonds.
Well, now that we've found you, would you like to come back to the museum and meet some of my new friends?
Oh, I'd love to, Henry.
That gives me a great idea, Microscope. I could become a scientist, and I could help you recreate that cure.
That's a great idea, Henry. Okay, the first rule of science is experiment, experiment, experiment.
And if that doesn't work...
Then you experiment some more.
Okay, Microscope, now let's recreate that cure. Hello, blackboards.
Hello, Henry.
Hello, test tubes.
Hello, Henry.
Hello, flasks.
Hello, Henry.
I think this is it. I think we've done it.
Well done, Henry. But how will we know if it works?
Only one way to find out.
Stop, Henry! That's far too dangerous. You mustn't drink something if you don't know that it's safe.
But if I don't do it, who will?
What? Me? Really?
Are you sure this is safe, Microscope?
It's okay, Henry. He's made of plastic, aren't you, Skeleton?
That's right. Don't worry about me, Henry, okay? Bottoms up. Look.
Is anything happening?
I don't feel any different. What? What is it? Why are you looking at me like that?
It seems there are a few unexpected side effects to the new formula, Henry.
Looks like it's back to the drawing board. Oh, we've tried everything, Microscope.
I think we should take a break, Henry. Skeleton looks pretty shaken up. It certainly is, Henri. By mixing these three, you can create lots of different colors.
If you mix red and yellow, you get orange. If you mix yellow and blue, you get green. And if you mix blue and red, you get purple.
That's great. Now we have lots of colours. I just need to decide what I'm going to paint.
How about a self-portrait, Henri?
A self-portrait? What's that, Canvas?
A self-portrait is when you paint a picture of yourself.
That sounds perfect, Canvas. Let's start painting. Hello, paintbrush.
Hello, Henry.
Hello, easel.
Hello, Henry.
Hello, pot of water.
Hello, Henry.
There you go, Canvas. All done. What do you think?
Wow, Henri! That's amazing! It's the best self-portrait I've ever seen. But it looks like it's missing something.
What's that then, Canvas?
A work of art like this needs a signature before it's finished. That way everyone will know who painted it. You should sign it, Henri.
Will do, Canvas. Will do.
Be careful, Henri!
Whoa! Phew. That was a close one, Canvas. Canvas? Oh no! I'm so sorry. You're ruined.
Ruined? On the contrary, Henri. I think I look marvelous. Such color, such texture, such energy. I'm perfect. Your painting, it's a masterpiece.
A masterpiece? Do you really think so? I could become a tooth fairy, and we can take my baby tooth and swap it for a lovely shiny coin.
That's a great idea, Henry.
Wow, Toothbrush, you're so big.
It's not me who's big, Henry. It's you that's really, really small.
This is so cool.
Now, we have to take your baby tooth to the Tooth Kingdom and present it to the Tooth King.
If he thinks I'm sparkly and clean enough, he'll reward you with a shiny coin.
Okay, everyone, what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Oh, Henry, Baby Tooth and I can't fly.
Oh, of course. Sorry, Toothbrush. There you go. Bye-bye, everyone.
Good luck, Henry.
Here we are, Henry. The Tooth Kingdom.
Wow, this place is huge. Excuse me, signpost. Do you know the way to the Tooth King?
I most certainly do, Henry. It's that way.
Thanks, signpost. Okay, you two. Let's go. Hello, Sweet Tooth.
Hello, Henry.
Hello, Gold Tooth.
Hello, Henry.
Hello, Wisdom Tooth.
Oh, hello, Henry.